TMDE. This is a smaller, scrappier player in the energy sector, trying to carve out a niche in a crowded market. TMD Energy is focused on innovative solutions and nimble operations, hoping to outmaneuver the bigger, slower companies. They don't have the resources or brand recognition of the industry giants, but they make up for it with agility and a willingness to take risks. For investors, TMD Energy represents a classic high-risk, high-reward opportunity. If they succeed, the upside could be significant, but if they stumble, losses could be steep. It's the kind of stock that appeals to investors who like to root for the underdog and aren't afraid of a little uncertainty. TMD Energy's team is small but passionate, working hard to bring new ideas to the table. They're constantly looking for ways to improve efficiency, reduce costs, and find new markets for their products. It's a tough road, but sometimes the little guys can surprise you. If you're willing to take a chance on a company that's still finding its footing, TMD Energy could be a sleeper hit. Just remember, with high risk comes the possibility of high reward or high loss. Make sure you understand the risks before you invest, and don't be afraid to ask tough questions about the company's strategy and long-term prospects. Investing in TMD Energy is a bit like buying a lottery ticket. You might hit the jackpot, or you might walk away empty-handed. The potential for big gains is there, but so is the risk of losing your investment. If you're the kind of investor who enjoys the thrill of the unknown and doesn't mind taking a gamble, TMD Energy could be an exciting addition to your portfolio. But always remember to balance your high-risk bets with more stable investments and never invest more than you can afford to lose. No matter which of these 5 stocks catches your eye, the most important thing is to do your homework. Don't just follow the hype or jump on the latest trend because everyone else is doing it. Take the time to research each company, understand their business model, and evaluate their financial health. Look at their leadership team, their track record, and their plans for the future. Read analyst reports, follow industry news, and don't be afraid to ask questions. Investing is a personal decision, and what works for one person might not work for another. Make sure you're making choices that align with your goals, your risk tolerance, and your values. So, which of these 5 stocks would you pick? Are you drawn to the bold innovation of RBNE, the futuristic vision of Airo, the global reach of Oceanpal, the steady reliability of Houston American, or the scrappy ambition of TMD Energy? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts, your questions, and your own experiences with investing. Remember, the stock market is full of opportunities, but it's also full of risks. The best investors are the ones who stay curious, keep learning, and never stop asking questions. Thanks for watching, and happy investing.